Welcome to the next section. Hopefully you survived the intro to GitHub, as well as the new commands like git clone and git push that we covered. All very important stuff. In this section, we are continuing to talk about working with remote repositories, specifically GitHub repositories, but you could sub in GitHub for other services. They're just not that popular, as we've already discussed. Specifically, we're focusing on two commands, git fetch and git pull. They both have to do with getting changes down from a remote repository like a GitHub repo. So if we're working with collaborators and our repository changes, how do we get those changes down? We've seen the other half pushing up with git push. So there's only three topics really that are covered here. They're all connected, something called remote tracking branches, git fetch, and git pull. And I've marked them all in yellow because they are a bit, I don't want to say trickier, but meatier. So they're all yellow. They're all critical. If you want to work with remote repositories, you could use Git your entire life and never share your changes with anyone, at which point you wouldn't need GitHub, you wouldn't need to push or to pull or to fetch or anything like that. But if you plan on collaborating, critical. All right, so let's talk about these commands and get more practice working with GitHub. Here we go.